Construction materials are essential components used in building structures, ranging from foundations and walls to roofs and finishes. These materials can be broadly categorized as 1. Natural materials. Wood, used for framing, flooring, roofing, and decorative elements. Wood is a renewable resource and offers good insulation properties. Stone, utilized for foundations, walls, flooring, and decorative elements. Stone offers strength, durability, and resistance to fire, weather, and pests. Examples include granite, limestone, marble, etc. Clay, used for bricks, tiles, and pottery. Bricks are durable, fire-resistant, and offer good thermal insulation. 2. Manufactured or synthetic materials.